Hello there, people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not gonna thrift flip anything because I'm gonna work with the fabric that I bought before. I'm gonna work with this dark green soft anti-piling fleece fabric. I should have about 1.5 and 2 meters left of it, so that should be enough for the sweatpants that I want to make today, because I want to create them to match this hoodie that I already made before. So if you want to check out that video, I'm gonna link it down in the description below, so you can if you want to. By the way, I know the sound is still horrible, but I already ordered the microphone, so in the next video it should be fine. But anyways, if you guys want to see more sewing videos from me and you like this video, then please don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel because it would help me a lot. But yeah, let's get into sewing. So for this project I am actually using two pants to make a pattern, black ones for the wide legs and the white ones for the high waist. To show you better, I just matched the crotch seams and then I traced the white pants from the top down to the crotch, and from the crotch I went down and traced the legs of the black ones. And I cut everything out. I went 15 centimeters down on the outer side of the front and back band patterns, so on the sides without the crotch curve, and I marked it there. Then I fixed the edge of the pocket because the pocket should be pointing down and to the crotch seam, if that makes any sense. Like the pocket should be going slightly downwards. With the right size facing, I sewed all the 4 pockets to each leg pattern and I top stitched it too. Then I connected the front pieces together right size facing and I sewed only the curved side, and of course I did the same with the back pieces. Then this happened. My fabric somehow got really stuck in the sewing machine, but luckily I managed to pull it all out without tearing anything. Next I connected the front and back right size facing and sewed them together by sewing from the crotch down and then from the top around the pockets and all the way down again on the sides. You don't have to do this, but I wanted to just because it makes the pants tiny bit more professional looking, I think. So I added 2 tiny eyelets. I marked the middle of the waistband and sewed the edges together so that the whole waistband was the circumference of my waist. Then I folded the waistband in half, lengthwise, and pinned the bottom edges together just so I could sew a straight line at the top of the waistband without it moving, and so I could that way create a tunnel for the elastic. I left a space so that I could pull the elastic through, and then I sewed the hole shut. Then I matched the middle notches of the waistband with the center seams of the pants, and side seams of the pants with side seams of the waistband. And don't forget to stretch the fabric while you're sewing. Then I simply hemmed the bottom of the pants, and I pulled the elastic through both of the tunnels at the ankle too, same way as I did before at the waistband, and it was basically done. So that's all I have for you today. I like how the sweatpants came out. I'm just not quite sure about the waistline being so high up because I put on a little more weight, and usually everything that I eat just goes to my belly. So they looked kind of funky on me with that high waistline. So I was kind of thinking that I might shorten.
Wow!
So I was kind of thinking that I might shorten the waistline down a little bit, just so it wouldn't have so much of a bunching fabric at the front. But the whole pants are baggy anyway, so I'm not sure if that would make any difference and if somebody really notices that or if it's just me. But yeah, I quite like how it turned out, and yeah, this is a beginner project, so if you feel like doing it, please do, because I am a beginner, and if I could do it, you can definitely do it too. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this, and yeah, tune in for the next one. Bye!